Good morning, guys. We are here in Denver, Colorado today. We are starting very late. It's almost noon here in Colorado. Very sunny day, but it's because this morning I went to another house in Castle Pine to do a test, and I didn't know if they were going to decide to move on immediately or not. But after they gonna think about it, so I came here to another job that I just booked yesterday to do it maybe today or tomorrow. But at the end, today we are gonna be doing this job. It's aggressive screen and recall. What are we gonna be doing in this house from Mr. Johnson? He's expecting very good result after the screen and recall. Also, he find out with other company that they were offering a cheaper price, but at the end he decided to go with me because he read all the reviews, he watched some of my video, and he feels very confident with the result that he's gonna get in this house. So he's gonna rent it out. He want to make it look very nice. But yeah, anyway, let me flip it out the camera and show you guys what are we gonna be doing today. Alright guys, like I said, very sunny day, beautiful day. It's around 55 degrees. Very nice. But anyway, we're gonna be doing around 735 square feet. This floor is natural. Red oak is a little bit up in so many places. That is why we are not gonna do just a typical screen and recall. We need to be more aggressive to try to take off most of the micro scratches and scuff marks that we have here on the floor. So he already know, the customer, that the deep scratches with this service won't go away. But look at this here, is really ugly in the kitchen, but we are gonna make it look so much better. Look at this here as well. So here we started to do a screening, to do a test, but we realized that we need to be even more aggressive to take off most of the dirt and the scratches, micro scratches from the floor. So guys, yeah, this is gonna be the service for today. Stay tuned and watch the result because you are gonna like it. So see you buddy. Okay, I'm back here guys to show you the progress. We did a very aggressive screening in the whole floor, and look at this. We were able to move to remove most of the scratches, micro scratches from the floor. Look at this. Oh wow. The customer, he came like 10 minutes ago, and he already noticed that this floor is gonna look amazing after we apply a 2-coat of finish, because when we do aggressive screen and recoat, just because we go basically all the way down to the bare wood, we really need to apply 2-coat of finish to make it look so much better. Yeah guys, so right now we just started. Richard is over there in a small closet applying the first coat. Right now we are gonna go with H2 oil from Pro Coat. Look at this, because we are gonna give this floor some color back. All right guys, yeah, stay tuned and watch the final result. And also here in the stairs, we are screening. We already applied the first coat, and it looks very nice, very nice. All right guys, stay tuned. Okay guys, look at this floor. Oh wow, such a big improvement. The first coat with the H2 oil is dry. We correct some a little issues on the floor, but it's already it's ready to apply the second coat. Actually, Richard here already started over there in that closet. But look at this amazing improvement. Oh wow. If you go back to the beginning of the video, you can see the big difference. And of course, after we apply the second coat, it's gonna look even so much better. All right guys, basically this is it. It's gonna be almost done for today. Finish here with the second coat, and that's it. All right guys, stay tuned and see you next time.